Hello, everyone, and peace of Christ, all of you. Please invite your friends. And after we finish, don't forget to download the video and post it wherever you wish. And this video actually is specifically is made for sure for everybody, but specifically for those who live in Indonesia. You know, in Indonesia, it's a country, it's the biggest country of Islamic population. But this country suffers from a big problem, which is ignorance. And when your teacher is an ignorant, what you expect from the students. So I asked the Indonesians people to send me some names of who they call themselves scholars in Indonesia, and they gave me some names, a list of names, and supposedly this is the biggest one. So I said to myself, let us see how big he is. Is he really big, or he's a balloon? You know, there is many they are balloon, and I believe he's just a balloon. He have nothing but gas inside. You know, when you go to a country where nobody speak Arabic, just act like you are knowing Arabic, and you say, I came from Saudi Arabia. I know actually a Middle Eastern Christians who was hired in Sarajevo to be imam of a mosque just because they look for somebody speak Arabic. He's an Arab. He's an Arab. But he's a Christian. The guy desperately, he was looking for a job. He was a student, and his family cut off for some reason. They cannot send him money. So imagine an Arab Christian, he worked for an imam in a mosque in Sarajevo, teaching Muslims about Islam. And he was saying Arabic, Muhammad is a liar, Muhammad is a shish kebab, and the Muslims in their language, they were saying Ameen. And Indonesian people are no different. A guy, he come and he claim, okay, I was in Saudi Arabia and I studied the Quran, and today I'm going to teach you about Islam. But if the Arab themselves cannot teach you about Islam, how you can teach about Islam? So I said to myself, let me ask those who claim to be scholars or a cleric or making living from the business of Islam. Islam is a big business, successful business, by the way, because here we go, you have a very good life. You know, I assure you, all of them, they have a fancy life. And all what you do, just try like force yourself to say learn some Arabic words. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, A'udhu billahi min at-Taytan al-Ladim, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. You know, like just do the trick. And then whatever you say after that, who even care? Or what they care for, that supposedly you are praising the prophet of paganism, who taught them to kiss a black stone, pray for a stone, go around a stone. And the funny, I just saw a Muslim posting in Facebook saying Christians are pagan. And I wonder, who is the pagan? Is it us who kiss stones, pray in front of a stone, in the direction of a stone, going around the stone, and then when we fight shaitan, we throw a stone? All your religion is from the Stone Age, and it is based on stones. Now, who is the Muslim really from Indonesia? He have the courage and the knowledge to stand up for a Christian prince and to come for a debate. Some of you send me some names, you know, in my page, and like this guy, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin, Shish Kebab, Ameen. And the Muslims, okay, we agree. But what he said, what he is talking about, Allah knows best. And you will notice he is sitting in a chair is colored by gold. I mean, it doesn't make sense unless it's from gold, because he is an Islamic teacher. So how we have to set him in gold? We cannot set him in silver. Look like this guy do not know that the prophet, he said gold is haram for men. And this is a clear sign that he is really a teacher. What happened that Muhammad, he stole a ring. He killed a man and he killed the ring, take the ring from him. And then, as you know, Muhammad is a gang leader. He's a thief. He's the same as the pirate. So after he killed the man and he took his ring, Muhammad, he start looking at the ring, and people, they notice that this prophet, he is so busy with the ring. And this is how silly this man is. Imagine a ring, make him forget what he is about. Suppose he's a prophet. And after people start talking about him, so Muhammad took the ring off and he said, you know what? I forbid Muslim men from wearing golden rings, because they will take your attention from Allah. And here is telling us how silly the mind of this man, who little tiny golden ring he stole, he's not even his own, make him go away from Allah. So those who call themselves, and the funny, by the way, I find it funny that Muslim, they call themselves Ustaz. Look, you see in the front of the name here, this guy, he called himself Ustaz, and he always posts some words in Arabic to anything he say. Ustaz, inna dina indillahi islam, brother. What does that mean? Religion for Allah is Islam. Well, hold on. If religion for Allah is Islam, so why Allah promised the Sabi and the Jews and the Christians to go to heaven? And if the Islam is the religion, why he called them Sabian, and why he called them Jews, and why he called them Nasara? I mean, that's what a silly cult. Ustaz. In the Middle East, if you want to insult somebody, you call him Ustaz, especially if he is not Ustaz. You can ask anyone. Ustaz is a teacher, by the way. So why you are adding next to your name Ustaz? Look at this, another one. Ustaz Adi Hidayat. Ustaz Adi Hidayat, I would love to invite you, brother, to come and join us and teach us from your knowledge, as long you are an Ustaz. And actually, I will be so excited if you come and call me live on air and school us. Show the Indonesian who they are leaving Islam because of what I do by thousands. Show them that this guy, he know nothing. Ustaz. So Ustaz Adi Hidayat are going to come and do Ustaz for us. And look how they grow this beard, which is funny. I mean, obviously it's not working. It looked like fake. So I want to grow a beard. I do not know 2 words about Allah. And actually, I posed for him, by the way, here at Challenge Debate, and I told him, this is the translation of Google. I said, because of this kafir Christian prince, more than 100,000 left Islam, brother. Aren't you going to do something for him, brother? So do you think he is going to do something? Absolutely not. So all those who claim to be scholars, and one of you here send me a list of names, just to make that this video is not for one person. All the names we see in the front of us here are more than welcome to call me and to debate me live on air. Khalid Basmillah Basalama Basalama Basalama. This guy, his last name, goodbye. Okay. Ustaz Adi, Felix Siwaw, Yahya Waluni, Munzir Stimborang, 7 Up, no, not 7 Up, Stephen Endara Wibobo, Mulaf, Central Indonesia. Oh, so now this guy already we smoked him. This guy is shish kebab already. This guy, he made the video for me, and we made him history because of his video. I don't know what happened to him, if he's still alive or if he had a heart attack. So to make it short, please, Indonesian, translate this video, post it around, and let us see who of them is brave enough to call me and to join us live on air. All right. Now we will be back live on air very soon, but this is just a video for Indonesian, so they can add subtitle. And I assure you that all those people who claim to be scholars or ustaz, they are neither ustaz, neither they know 2 words about Islam. And to prove it to you, tell them why you don't accept to challenge Christian Prince. As long Allah is God, and he will give you victory. I mean, what you will lose? Don't you want to bring victory to Islam? This guy is making a lot of Muslims leave Islam. So brother, why you don't call a Christian Prince? I heard that he is ignorant, and I heard he know nothing, and I heard that you can destroy him easy, and I heard many things. After all the heard we heard, aren't you going to call him and let us heard from you? So brother, I want us, all of us, to take those videos, the video I made, add subtitle. Like one of you can add the subtitle, so not all of you like have work in it. If one of you can make the subtitle, give it to me back. I will publish it again, or I will post the link, so all of you can get the benefit of taking the video and share it everywhere in Facebook, etc. And listen, if those people don't dare to call me, that's mean they are worried about their career. They are fake. Because what you will lose? Call this kafir Christian prince who don't want to kiss a black stone because he believe it's pagan. Call this kafir Christian prince who don't want to lick the black stone because he believe it's disgusting. Call this Christian prince who believe that you cannot pray to the direction of Kaaba. And by the way, Indonesia was praying to Africa for the last 1,000 years, thinking that it is the Kaaba direction. Why your God Allah did not send you Jibreel to squeeze you, say, hey, you are not praying to me, you are praying to Al-Qazafi. For 1,000 years you are praying the direction of Libya, of Africa. Why Allah did not send you Jibreel? He say, hey, my people, my servants, you are not praying to Jerusalem, sorry, to the Kaaba. Actually, hold on, let me search for the news so the Muslim will not say I'm making things up. I will put it in the screen. Indonesian praying to wrong direction. Prophet Google, peace upon him. Here we go. Do you see it? Here we go. Look. Indonesian Muslims turn prayer back to Mecca after 1,000-mile mistake. 1,000 mile. Actually, here in the news said they were praying to Somalia. You are praying to who? The Somalian? To the pirate? To who? So after all those hundreds of years, you are praying to the wrong direction. Allah did not send you even a chicken to say to you, look, listen, Abdul, you are not praying to me. Where is Allah? Where is your Allah? The Lord of the black stone, the Lord of the ring, he can do better. So my friend, the God who could not correct your direction, he is a silly God, because anyway you cannot pray to the direction of Mecca because the earth is not a flat. Hello? How somebody he is next to Australia, he can face Mecca, and the only way to do it is to put your head in the hole in the ground and you pray upside down, which means your legs is up, your head is down, because the Mecca is in the other side of the earth. This is why we say Islam is a stupid religion. How does God do not know that the earth is the flat? So brother and sisters, Ustadz, we would love to enjoy every Ustadz to teach us about the amazing, beautiful religion of Islam, so more of us can I want to convert to Islam, but until now I could not find the right Ustadz. So which Ustadz is the perfect one? This one? By the way, you don't look happy. You look like Christian Prince in his base. I mean, even Christian Prince, you don't look upset that much. I get, you know, once they took a picture of me and they want to publish it in a newspaper, the newspaper go bankrupt. I mean, that's it. People, they like, what? No, we're not going to buy this newspaper anymore. There's many females, they lost their babies. They were pregnant. They want to deliver a baby in a few days. So relax, brother. You are a Muslim. You should be happy, brother. I never saw Muslims are happy. Always angry, especially not a Muslim by name, a Muslim who is really a Muslim. He is angry, conspiracy against Islam, brother. If somebody play cartoon, it's conspiracy. Mickey Mouse is the enemy of Allah. They have a fatwa on Mickey Mouse. Have you ever heard of a religion like this? Even Mickey Mouse is a threat to Islam. And now, by the way, Mickey Mouse is fine. He's hiding for his life, but he's okay. So we will be waiting for any Mickey Mouse, oh sorry, I mean any Ustaz to call us live on air when we are here almost every day, at least once. So don't tell me you cannot find me. You come to my page in YouTube. This is my page. And now we don't have too many people watching, only 853, because Indonesian people, they are cooking rice right now, brother. They are busy. Okay. Usually we have more Indonesian here. So you see, Ustaz, we need you to come and save the Indonesian people. Look, we have almost 856 brother Indonesian who they are not cooking rice and they are watching right now. And they left Islam because of you. So we need you to come and help them to come back to Islam. So do we have a deal? We will be waiting. And I don't think you will ever show up. Thank you guys for being here. We will be live again in about 2 hours. So until I see you soon, Christ is Lord, and may the Lord bless you. And Islam is a false cult, pagan cult, kissing stones, going around the stones. And even Muhammad, he says, stones erase your sin. Touching the stone of the black stone and the Yemeni corner erase your sin. How pagan can be more than this? It's a stone age religion, stone cave time religion, will take you backward. You see, Indonesia, like I saw an article actually, they are saying the Ministry of Education, they have a conference saying that we have a lack of 74,000 Islamic teacher. In Indonesia, you do not need Islamic teacher. You need people to teach you science. Your people are ignorant. They are poor because of ignorance. Your country is a wealthy country. It's very beautiful. One of the reasons making you go back because of Islam. So instead of focusing on finding 74,000 teachers to teach you nothing, what is the benefit if you learn Islam? To join ISIS? What that will do to Indonesia? Here we go. Saudi Arabia is full of Islamic teachers. If not the oil, Saudi Arabia will be living now in the camel. What Islam brought to Saudi Arabia? Look at Emirat. Emirat is not exist in the world of Islam because they, you know, in the name they are Islamic. The more they stay away from Islam, the more they go advanced. The more Islamic they are, the more go in the cave time. So instead of wasting the money of the poor Indonesian in giving jobs for 74,000 false teacher who will teach you nothing except what? How to shave underarm? They will tell you that Allah is one God. I'm so glad that He is one, not two. What is the benefit of those? What about seeking to have 74,000 teachers who teach mathematics or teach how to do farming, correct way of farming? What about, you know, I mean, look how they spend their money, a poor country, in a funny, stupid things. This is your worry? You need 74,000 Islamic teacher? Well, guess what? All the teachers you have in Indonesia, they know nothing about Islam. And here is the real school. When you get the 74,000, including the one you call them Ustadz, dare to call me, we will see how much you know about Islam. Thank you guys for watching. Download the video, share it, and we will be live on air again soon in less than 2 hours. Christ is Lord. Islam is pagan cult.